Good morning. I'm here in Ocala, picking up a load. Miss TT, Miss TT, how you doing? Here in Ocala, picking up a load. I said, let me jump on real quick. Jump on real quick while I shave. It's life on the road. I didn't even put no title or nothing. Just said let me jump on and just, see who's out there, what's going on. Hey Marva, you know some of those vegetables, like the kale and all those vegetables, you could let one of them go to seed, and you could let the seed fall right back in the ground. Because with my kale and my collard greens, I used to pick enough and just let one of them go to seed. And man, I had kale and collard greens for years. But I don't know about South Florida because it's warm down there. And my kale and collard greens was doing real good in the winter. Yeah, it's just a little pop-up line, I'm here picking up some stuff to go deliver. And when I say this place here, if a rookie driver come here, they're gonna have an accident. The place is so small. And they sent a message yesterday on the computer saying we're gonna need hard hats and steel-toe boots. So I asked them if they're gonna buy it. Yeah, you could let one or two of them go flower and go to seed, Margaret. Any one of either the kale or the collard green, any one of the green, mustard green. When I learned that, I stopped buying the plants or the seeds. But I haven't grown them in about 2 years now. But I used to have them. I love me a nice kale salad. I grow so much things, Marva. I used to grow so much things that I don't eat. I just used to give them away. And the only thing is I just love growing them. That's it. Like eggplants and zucchini. I don't like zucchini at all. I love growing them. I don't even eat it, matter of fact. And Mother, you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be so surprised. And I love growing them. It's something that I don't eat. And when when I tell you, please don't laugh at me. Okra, I can't stand the sight of okra. But I love growing them. I grow them my soil is so good. When I grow okra, 2 years ago I had to use a ladder and pick my okra. That's how tall the trees were. And it was one tree. Oh man. When you're a truck driver, you do a lot of things on the go. Sometimes I'm driving down the road shaving. Alright. But after today, I'm trying to get to the house. On my street, my next door neighbor, he started to see I'm growing peppers and tomatoes. They Spanish. They starting to do it too. I have another neighbor that just moved in 2 doors down. He's starting to farm. When I first met him, he said, "Oh, you're the famous AG. I heard about you." I'm saying to myself, "Heard about me?" He said, "You grow everything at your house." Real cool dude. So he doesn't have the space, but he have a patio, a porch, outdoor porch. So I told him pots. You can grow anything. No matter how small the space, you use pots. So he's starting to get some stuff. Chicken manure. I'm using chicken manure. And I would love, they said the best manure to use is the goat manure. But there's some places in my area that have goats. I'm going to check them. And if you guys want to learn about, well, he has a homestead. And it's a family business. The Humble Servant. Man, this guy, he uses goat manure and Scotch bonnet. Anything the guy plants, he reaps and reaps and reaps and reaps. Man. And he's up there in Georgia. I love this guy's farm. And he tried to raise a little bit of everything. Goats, he just got some cows, goats, chicken, sheep. He has a little bit of everything. You guys could check him out, The Humble Servant. TT, where are you? What part of the world are you in? I know in Florida, a lot of places I wouldn't. Most of Florida, the plants, they got coal burn. Where are you, TT? Okay. I wonder if it was you that Marlon was talking about yesterday. He said he asked somebody about, he was in Kissimmee. They said, "Oh, I watch him. Wagwan. Me there. Yeah, but Florida boy, you people, you get a, you know what? You don't get a lick so hard. Some part of Florida mango season, well, the early mango season, it's not gonna happen. All of the mango blossom and the baby mango that was on the trees, they get cold burn, I should say. Frostbite. Yeah, I mean, I check out a couple of channels, man. They get hit hard. And people talk about covering up. Sometimes people don't have time for that. You know, we just have to go with the flow of Mother Nature. But the late mango season, it might come back. You see, with me now, not Georgia, and my mango, me bring them inside for the winter. Right now, them are blossom. I'm not gonna get nothing because they have no pollinators. But I always get a second season of blossom from them. I always get a second when I bring them out. For the East Indian, believe it or not, like I said, I'm in North Georgia. I had 2 last year. And they were delicious. The Julie is blossoming now. Like I said, I'm not gonna get nothing from them. And East Indian, isn't East Indian a late season mango? Or mid-season mango? What happened is, if you guys get a nice little, I would say, in the next 2 weeks, if you get another, like just a little cold spell, just, you know, the cold force them to blossom too, if you get a cold spell. So you might get the next blossom coming. Well, from the cold spell, you might not get nothing now, but you will get a next shoot from it with blossoming. You will get a next one. We gotta link up, TT, because when those mangoes stop bearing, I can come check you. I come climb the tree and pick off 2 of them for you. This is how bad it is. Every year, to me and not Georgia, you know, say I order mango from Florida. Your girl Lala is that's my sister right there, man. I haven't had what them call it again? No sweet sap. Sugar apple, you know, 45 years. You know who made me taste some nice one? Lala. I have to bless her, man. Lala is my girl. That's my sister. Yeah, I have to order mangoes and stuff from Florida, man. Yeah, Barry. Yeah, man, Barry. Oh, berry. And berries too. Hold on. Let me figure it out. Alright. What kind of berries you have? You know, one thing when we used to love at Jamaica? Agg plum. We used to have so much agg plum tree. And last year I have to order a plum from this mango company. This guy, Jesus Christ, what's his name again? I have to go find the name of the company. Right there in Florida, I have to order a plum. I also have to order pear, aka avocado. But when I order the avocado, them send me a whole bunch of different variety. And when I say, boy, I say them nice, through them fresh pick. Florida, I should have moved to, man. From New York to Florida. Trust me. Yeah, me as a man, I love my farming now. I love my farm, I love growing our tropical stuff. And all these times I plant pine or pineapple. Last year, finally get one. It was small, but I eat it. I believe you. I believe you. Also, there's a guy in Fort Pierce, Jamaica Farms. Bernard, Jamaica Farms in Fort Pierce. He has a farm with, when me say, if you name the mango tree from Jamaica, he has them. If you want, you can look up Jamaica Farm in Fort Pierce, man. Him sell the fruits and him sell the trees. I may talk about some real short trees, you know, and them a blossom. Excuse me. You name the trees, him have it. And him price them reasonable. Me in Florida, man, I guess I would go and get my things them. He said he doesn't do shipping anymore because he says shipping itself is too expensive and it's gonna charge the customers too much. Alright. He got in Fort St. Lucie, I think it says St. Louis. Yeah, man, just if you want to drive one day, man, go check out Jamaica Farms in Fort Pierce. I feature some of his mango trees on my channel. Bernard is a very nice dude, very nice guy. And like me say, any mango tree from Jamaica, he has them. There, I watch this guy here take off some pallets off of one truck. All I do, but jeez and peace, if this was me, man. When me say the guy slow. Fort Pierce. Yeah, man, Jamaica Farms. Go check out Bernard. Matter of fact, you can Google it and get address, you know. I haven't talked to him in a while, but I'm going to give him a call. When me say the man have, I think it has 20 acres of nothing but anything you want down there. Anything you want. As long as it's from the island. Him have it. And there's another lady on YouTube, Jamaica from the outside. She features a lot of farmers, a lot of people from Jamaica who's in Florida that has farms. Jamaica from the outside, that's the channel. She's down there in Florida too. Very nice lady. She features everything Jamaican, but The farm thing, she feature, matter of fact, she feature Jamaica farms on her channel a lot. And then the name of her channel is Jamaica from the Outside. And when me say there's a next dude that she feature on there, when I say the man have everything Jamaican can feel property. There's our next youth, it's probably close to you. He has Callaloo farm. Man, Florida have a lot of things going on for you when it comes to island stuff. Florida has a lot going on. And a lot of Caribbean people, Jamaicans, they have their farms and stuff down here in Florida. Right now I'm in Ocala, picking up a load. But Florida has a lot going on when it comes to us Caribbean products. But one day, I'll be down here, moving down here. One day. Yeah, man, when you get that chance, man, like you say, it's 30 minutes from you, man. Just take the drive and go check him out. And I think he also sell fruits and vegetables too, you know. Can get your yam and things. He has a WhatsApp page, and you know any product you can get that's on sale, he'll put it on the WhatsApp page and send out a message. Matter of fact, TT, if you go to his farm, you can do a YouTube piece on his farm. I mean, I tell you, you're gonna be so surprised of the stuff that this man has. I would love to go down there and do a piece on the whole farm. That's gonna be like a two series. Because he used to be, I'm not sure if he still lives in Georgia. He used to travel back and forth from Fort Pierce to Georgia. Up there near where I'm at. I don't think he does it anymore. Because the traveling too expensive. It's him and his son run the farm. See, this guy really is a shame. I hope I know him I got load this truck, you know. Pray, watch him. I know if he kill time. I'm saying no if he kill time, you know. He said a Turk could move faster than him. A Turk is like Usain Bolt compared to him. Yeah, he might milk the whole farm. Him not milk no cow. He might milk the farm. He might milk the farm. This is him to move from the one spot yet, right? Watch him. Cheese and peas. Milk, man, milk, brethren, milk. Sometimes I don't blame them, you know. I've been here about what time? I'm going to study here and tell us when did I get here. Message sent. I've been here about 23 minutes. And I don't know if you see that truck over there, so that truck. That's the first pallet to take off of that truck. And he's there fixing and stop. No leave. 23 minutes now. It's there. Just sitting. Yeah, it's not easy. You must know no camera no out here upon him. You know, I'm gonna leave the man alone. I'm gonna leave the man alone. Go on, do you think your father? Alright, the people have to go jump off. They're calling me. So I appreciate you guys coming by. Thanks. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I might do another one later on. But thank you guys. Appreciate it.